Alright guys, today I'm having a day off, and that doesn't mean that I'm going to be off completely. Oh, it doesn't mean that I'm supposed to be off completely. And today I'm here in the garage. This is our farm garage where we fix all our farm machineries. And as I told you, I'm off today and I don't need to just be idle sleeping. And I'm here trying to see the way how I can get an extra money or how I can make an extra money on top of what I normally get every month. So now, in this video, I want to share with you some few tips how you can actually make extra money on top of what you normally get in your office or in your farm or in your workplace. So now, my question is, how do you spend your free day? Or how do you spend your so-called the free hours? Either when you're back from the work or when you have not gone to the work. Like for example, the weekends, because some people have got weekends off. How do you spend it? And when you're spending it, do you get some money back or do you get some money in that time that you're free or in that weekend that you're free? So guys, make sure you watch this video until the end, because whatever I'm going to share with you here is what is actually working for me. And therefore, I felt like as part of this channel, Agriculture World Happiness, I must also show you the ways how you can add more money or how you can get more money on top of what you have been getting. As a farmer or as farmers, I feel like we are all there because we need money. We are on this channel because we want to find or want to get some knowledge to make more money. So here I am, I'm on the farm. If I can turn the camera around, this is what I've been doing today, and this is what I've done already. These are the bicycles which I just fixed in the morning, and right here, these are also the tires. This is another work that I always do sometimes when I'm in my free time, because it's not on my job description. When I was applying for this job, it wasn't on my job description. As I told you, I'm a Ugandan and I come from Africa. So whatever I'm doing here, this is the knowledge I got back from home in Africa. And now here, I'm here to apply. So without wasting a lot of time, the thing is, we want to know how we can make more money on top of what we normally make every month or our salary. How can we make more money? Yes, me today I'm here sharing with you guys. And when I left Africa, I came with my 1 or 2 knowledges. At least I got about fixing a few things. That's why you've seen me here. I fixed some 2 bicycles. These are the bicycles which are going to give me extra money, because here in Europe, a lot of people actually they ride a lot of bicycles, because in a home you can find at least more than 2 bicycles in each home. Sometimes even you find like 3 or 4. This is a bicycle which was just brought by a family, and because they already saw me doing something, oh, someone recommended it me to this family that I do fix bicycle. So what am I trying to say? If you're Ugandan or you're an African, you have traveled abroad or outside Africa, if you reach in this, for example, here where I am, this is Denmark, and I did not sit on my talent. So it means, even in your own country, you don't need to sit on your talent. When you get a job or you've gone to your workplace, show that talent you have. You have to show your talent out. Don't just sit on your talent, because you're sitting on money. Any talent you get on this world, that is money. That is number one. That is how I normally get extra money. Because this is, as I told you, it's not on my job description. Because if you see on my job description, it does not indicate anything like you're going to be fixing bicycles, you'll be fixing tires, you'll be doing any side hustles. But this is what I'm doing, and this is what is working for me today. So now, as I said, either you're working within your country or your region, for example, any continent you live on, and you're working for another person, you must show your talent out, because this talent is where the money is. That talent is money. That is our tip number 1. My tip number 2, which I'm also going to share with you, because I told you I work on farm, and any knowledge I get on farm there, I use it for making money outside this country, within this country. And what do? I also do a lot of agricultural work. For example, I have my small gardens. For some of you who have been following me before, during the summer, because summer is when we always have a lot of activities on the field, and a lot of people are actually growing, and I use that chance also to grow some vegetables, some other greens, a lot of things I do on my own. And that one is actually, though sometimes I do sell some, but of course that is my saving. And someone will ask me, why, how is it my saving? It is my saving in a way that the money which I'm supposed to use for that month, that particular month, to buy food, because summer goes for up to, it's normally a long, let me say, very many months. In that month, I take chance, I do grow crops, and some of these crops, actually, I keep them and also use them during the winter. So that is how I'm able to save. And saving means I'm not going to be able to remove any money from my pocket. It means I'm going to be able to eat things from my own garden. This is a trick which is actually working for me, and which I also felt like sharing with you people, and that's why I've also managed to make this video to see if I'm able to change someone's life outside there. Because guys, knowledge is everything. Without your head, guys, you'll do nothing. Because they say the first capital in life is your head. And when you don't have that knowledge in your head, when you don't have any idea about something, you're not going to be able to actually get money, because that knowledge is not there. And even if you get much money and you don't have that peace of mind, guys, you are not going to be a successful person. So guys, that's why today I've managed to make this video, because I wanted to share with you something such that you can also be able to do the same if you have the chance. Because we know there are people who work in office, and there are people who don't work in office. There are people who work on farms, even not farm offices, but at least you're working in the field. But sometimes you find like these are the same people who do not even have a 10 by 10, a 10 by 10 feet garden. They don't have. And at the end, they get their own money, they go and buy food. And at the end, that one is a loss. And yet, you could buy some seeds and plant something in a place where you're working, or at your boss's place. Because there are some bosses who are good, trust me. Because for me, I think I've been blessed. Ever since I came here to Denmark, all my bosses have been good, because they are able to give me piece of land. Because they say, if you request, you are given. And if you don't request, they'll feel like you're fine. So wherever you are, guys, take an advantage. As I said, either you're working on a farm or you're not working on a farm. Please, you need to take advantage of these things. You can mean to even hire the land. If you're working in an office where there is no garden, you can mean to hire the land. And after hiring the land, you plant few vegetables. And at the end of 3 months, like in Africa, at the end of 3 months, you're able to get these veggies out. Even there are vegetables which come out after just 2 to 3 weeks, right? Those are the vegetables which you can actually use at your home, and then you save that money which you're supposed to use for buying maybe veggies in the markets. This is how I'm able to actually save my money here. Because guys, saving nowadays has become the main issue. Financial discipline has become the main issue. And what does this what does this imply? It means the money you get from your salary, this money you must give respect to it, because like any other African diasporan who lives outside his continent, for me, I feel like giving respect to my money. This is the way I must put much effort to see that I work a lot of hours. It doesn't mean that I'm supposed to just work those hours in my workplace. I can use those hours to work in any other field. Like for example here, today I've fixed these bicycles here, guys. These are the two bicycles I've fixed here. And these bicycles I've fixed here, this is a lot of money. Because here, guys, fixing something, it means a lot. It means a lot. No, I'm not going to disclose to you, but the thing is, this is a lot of money. Look at these tires here, which I've just fixed here. These are the tires. How many tires are here? These are close to 10 tires, which I've fixed. And this is how the work we do appreciates. Because at the end, whatever you get from this activity that you've worked out of your main job, this is like black money. And this is how you have to be, like how wise you have to be. Let me tell you one thing, guys. This is me sharing with you some of the tips that I felt like sharing with you. And because they're working for me, and because I've shared with a lot of whites here, because guys, whites are wise people. Because a white guy will leave his office. When he's out of his office, this man is looking for the way. How can I reduce on my expenditure? Right? How do I reduce on expenditure? Can I learn one or few techniques of maybe like some experiences? Can I do some few things such that I'm able to save much this month? And if yes, that's why you find a lot of whites actually, they are fixing things. For example, they are carpenters, but this is the man whom you met in your office. This is the man whom you met somewhere you're working. But again, he's now here trying to see if I can do this work by myself. And that's how they are able to get rich and richer than us, the Africans, than us people who have never moved. Because, guys, me, I've seen the things. And I'm here today sharing with you. I hope at the end of this video, or I hope this video is going to be able to change someone's mind or to change someone's way of using money, someone's ways of making more money, and someone to think like more each and every day, such that this person is able to make more money and reduce on the expenditure. Because I am feeling it. I'm here today sharing with you people. I've gone through a lot. Because let me tell you one thing, when I was still a little boy, I used also to do a lot. Like I was still at the college, I used to grow a lot of vegetables. And those vegetables could push me each and every time. Even when I was at the college, I was doing the vegetables because I was in a farm school. So I felt like also these were the things which can make for me money. And that's why I was able to also do it hard and harder. And that's why I am today. Because I didn't know that one day, one time, I will either board a plane and go to another country and to do something better. But again, whatever I was doing home was also a better thing by that time. So therefore, either you're working in office or you are not in an office, guys, please, when it comes to agriculture, that is the main thing. And when it comes to getting different knowledges about different things, that is it. So whatever I've been doing today here, this is still under agricultural mechanization, because under mechanical mechanization, like for example, agricultural mechanization, there we also fix farm machineries. And since I came from Africa and I arrived here, and because I had the love and passion for fixing things, guys, it has actually given me like more chances. Because going for jobs, I do not need like, for example, to write letter recommendation. No, I've never been recommended with either later. No, whatever they have been seeing on my YouTube channel doing, whatever videos I've been recording, these are the videos I've actually been sharing with those people at the workplace. And at the end, they say, this guy, you qualify for this. And that's why I'm here today, guys. And as I said, this is just a garage for the farm. And this is how actually I'm able to also benefit from working on the farm, right? And if I wasn't working on the farm, I could not get all these knowledges. And because I've been working on the farm for long, it's now 4 years, ever since I started working outside Africa. And these are some of the things which are like things which have been able to push me all this far. So that is it. So guys, before I end this video, in summary, when you have any knowledge about something either to do with the farm work or any other thing outside your office work, please don't sit on your talent. Your talent is money. Use your talent. Either you're a footballer, either you're what, because a lot of people have come from Africa to work in Europe, and because they had the talents, for example, of running, talents of playing football, a lot of talents, is the ways people have actually succeeded. These are the ways. So what am I trying to mean here? Any talent you have, please do not sit on it. Show your talent out to people. Let people see the talent you have, such that you are going to be able to succeed and make more money. And the talents are in different sections or different areas. Me, my talent was in farming, and under farming, also the talent I got were fixing things, growing vegetables to see that if I make more money and I save more. These are the talents we are talking about. So guys, this was what I wanted to share with you in this video for today. More will come in the next videos, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.